Hi, my name is Emily Jones, and today I'm going to be showing you a meme analysis. The meme I'm going to be showing you today, high school teacher. You'll learn this at university. University lecture. You learned this in high school. The graphics for this meme are perfect. In this image, it is a man laying back in his chair with his arms up, and his face is perfect. His hands are up. He's just like, what? He's so confused. He's fed up. This conveys the point of the meme perfectly. It shows exactly how someone would feel in this situation. And I feel like even if somebody hasn't been in this situation, they would see this meme and be like, yes, I understand. Like that is exactly how that situation would feel. This meme is very relatable. At some point in everyone's high school or college career, they've had a teacher say, well, you should have already learned this. Not only is this meme funny, it shows the exact emotion we have all felt while in this situation. I went around asking a few of my fellow classmates their opinions on this, and I mostly got the answer of yes, and every time someone said yes, they had a scenario going along with this exact situation. It was hilarious. The text in this meme is great. The format of the text helps to display double standard, and the text leads to the image which provokes a response for the reader. So, when you're reading this meme, you don't look at the picture first. You're reading it, and you're like, and then you see the picture, and you're like, yes, this is exactly what this feels like. His facial expression, everything is perfect. The conclusion for this meme, it's altogether hilarious. The graphics fit perfectly, it is completely relatable, and the text goes great with it. Everything about the text, the font, where it's placed, everything. Even the slang used. Here. You learnt this in high school. It's kind of just showing like, yeah, you learned it already. Like we're stupid. So it basically just goes along with the graphics. He's like, ugh, really? So I think this meme is hilarious. Thank you.